This video will show you how to connect Netsuite to Papayaglobal so you can automatically get your JE files in Netsuite. Once you're logged into the Papaya platform, select Connectors Hub under the list of drop-down options in the top navigation bar. In the Connectors Hub, select Netsuite from the list of available apps, then click on Connect to Netsuite. Simply enter your Netsuite account ID, consumer key, and consumer secret, token ID, and token secret. Then click Connect to Netsuite. On the Netsuite Files page, you can find your payroll file, which is ready for mapping. Open the three dots menu, click on Manage Mapping. In the mapping window, select the date format. Note that you will not be able to proceed and view Manage Mapping files until you select Date Format. Papaya will automatically map journal entry fields to Netsuite fields. You can now check to make sure all fields are mapped according to your needs or indicate Do Not Map this field. Enter the template name and click Save as New to validate and save mapping, and then click Complete. Following a successful mapping, an auto-sync prompt will ask you to indicate if you want to auto-sync journal entry files. Click OK to enable auto-sync. All JE files uploaded to the project will be automatically synced according to the mapping you configured. Click No Thanks to disable auto-sync. All JE files uploaded to the project will require manual sync. Now your JE file is mapped and can be sent to Netsuite automatically or manually per your preference.